Students, I am Arman present here for your online classes of class 7, chapter 8. Today we are going to learn about simple interest. You must have heard about the various loans offered by banks and other financial institutions for our different needs like education, buying a houses, vehicle, etc. The term loan refers to a sum of money lent at interest. So similarly, the banks and finance companies also make money by lending the money at interest. Let's understand some related terms. The first term is here principal, short in P. The money lent or borrowed is called the principal or a sum. Next term is called interest. It's better, right? Simple interest. SI. The additional money paid by the borrower or over the principal is called interest. It is of two types, simple and compound. So it's the simple interest. And the third term is amount. The total sum of money including the principal and the interest is called amount. It means amount is equal to principal plus interest. The next term is the rate of interest. The fixed percentage at which interest is calculated for a certain period of time, usually on the basis of, is called the rate of interest. Another next term is the time of period. The period for which the money is borrowed or given is known as the time of period or a time. So these are the some terms related to simple interest. Now the formula of simple interest, that means SI is equal to principal into rate into time upon 100. This is a formula on which you can calculate your simple interest of your borrowed money. And also we can write from these formulas, we got three more formulas. P equal to SI into 100 upon R into T. R is equal to SI into 100 upon P into T. And the third one is T is equal to SI into 100 upon P into R. These three are the part of these formulas. So let's take an example. Find the amount to be paid at the end of 4 years of principal is 1200 rupees at 10% per annum. So we can see that here the P is equal to 1200 rupees. Rate is equal to 4%. Rate is equal to 10% and time is equal to 4 years. So simple interest SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100, 1200 into 10, 4 upon 100, 20 cut, and 12 for the 48 and 48 into 10, 480 rupees. That's the simple interest of rupees 1200. Then similarly, when you have the question, Sandeep borrowed 6,000. Then P is equal to 6,000 rupees from his friend and return 7,500. This is given amount. It is return interest and principal both. 7,500 rupees on him after 1 year. Now amount is 7,500 and P is equal to 6,000. So SI is equal to amount minus P. 7,500 minus 6,000 is equal to 1,500 rupees, and time is equal to 1 year. So we have to calculate rate. So the formula of rate is equal to SI into 100 upon P into T. SI is a 1,500 into 100 and P is equal to 6,000. Time is equal to 1 year. So 15 fours are 6,000 and 4. 100 is cut by 4. We got 25% rate per annum. So similarly, you can solve based on simple interest question. Follow these formulas. Now I am going to solve one more question from your exercise. The question is here, rupees 6,000 is borrowed at 8%. Principal is equal to 6,000 and rate is equal to 8% per annum. And you have to find out the interest and amount after 3 years. The time is equal to 3 years. So first of all, find the interest. Simple interest is equal to P into R into T 100. 20 to 20 cut. ₹1,440 rupees as the interest, and now amount is equal to principal plus SI is equal to 6,000 plus 1,440 rupees is equal to 7,440 rupees.